Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell from the title, yes, I did cut off all of my hair. And a little backstory: my hair has always been relaxed as an adult, and it just started getting damaged, and I was so worried. I was not happy at all, so I started transitioning. And the last time I put relaxer in my hair was in April. And on this day, I think, and that was on December 15th, a few days ago, I decided to just go cut it off. Like, I was just so tired. I just wanted a new growth. And also, I have been wondering what I will look like with an afro. So before I went to the salon, I actually washed off my hair because I had knotless braid in for like a month and few days. So I washed it and applied leave-in conditioner before going to cut it off, and it was so painful, guys. As in, at this point, I was about to say, guys, don't worry, I'll go and continue, but I honestly was tired of the hair, and we started cutting it off. Like, I just wanted to cut off all of the relaxed parts and leave the undergrowth, which is the natural. If you're new on my channel, my name is ADUNNI'S. I create hair tutorials and I share a bit of vlogs. I think I'll share more vlogs coming next year if you guys respond positively to it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do click the subscribe button. Join this happy growing family. I'm hoping to hit 1000 subscribers before the end of this year. I know that sounds crazy. We're currently at, I think, 576. Can we do it? Yes. Will it happen? I believe so. I did cut off all the relaxed part of my hair, and it was a really serious decision because I have been deciding to do this for about 3 months. Like, I've been going back and forth. Do I really want to do this? Should I do this? Am I going to be comfortable with it? Will I be able to walk around? Given that my edges are barely there, but I did it, and my hair is I think 3 days old, and I'm loving it. I actually cornrowed it like the next day. Yes, I cornrowed this very short hair the next day because I honestly I am going to do a lot with this hair. I'm going to do a lot with it. I'm going to take care of it. And yes, I named my hair, so we are going to be calling her Ara. Ara in Yoruba. Ara is a Yoruba word, and it means wonder, I believe, like wonder. So actually, when I got back home, I realized that there were still like some split end. So I actually used scissors to cut it off. You guys are going to be seeing more of Ara on this channel. Like, I'm going to be bringing Ara on this channel come 2023, and I have a lot of tutorials. So if you're thinking of cutting your hair, this is the sign you've been looking for. This is the sign you've been waiting for. It's hair. It will definitely grow back, and you will love it. Like, it's going to be a new journey. You're going to love it. So if you're thinking of cutting your hair, you can go ahead and do that, and we'll grow together. Oh my god, and we'll grow together. I just absolutely love it, and I'm looking forward to the new process, and just enjoy and see what it looks like at the end of the video. And I'll see you guys in my very next video. Thank you for watching.